Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial. A Detroit area doctor, Dr. Umair Ejaz, 40, has been charged with secretly filming women and children in hospital settings over 6 years, using hidden cameras in various locations, including hospital rooms and a swim club. He faces 10 charges, including sexual abuse of a child and creating child sexual abuse material. The Oakland County Sheriff's Office described the case as one of the most disturbing they've encountered. The investigation, which began after a tip from Ejaz's wife, revealed thousands of videos dating back years. Ejaz had privileges at several hospitals that are now cooperating with the investigation. The investigation may extend beyond Michigan. In other developments, federal aid during COVID-19 led to a surge in public health staffing, but as funds dry up, states are slashing budgets, leaving local health departments vulnerable. From 2019 to 2022, staffing grew by 19%, with half of 2022's revenue from federal sources. Now, rural areas face layoffs and service cuts, threatening essential functions like immunizations and disease tracking. California plans to cut $300 million from public health, while Washington cut 350 jobs. The funding cuts come as health issues like STDs and low vaccination rates rise. Public health leaders warn that without sustained funding, these communities could face severe health crises. In another update, a 9-month-old child died after being left in a car by their grandmother for nearly 8 hours in Beeville, Texas, on Wednesday. The child was found unresponsive around 4 p.m. in the car's safety seat, with authorities investigating the incident as a heat-related death. The grandmother had reportedly left the child in the car around 8:30 a.m. Beeville police, assisted by the Department of Public Safety Texas Rangers, are treating the case as a criminal homicide. No charges have been filed yet, but they are expected. This tragic event occurred just 1 day after a similar incident in Corpus Christi, where a 22-month-old toddler died in a hot car. The investigation remains ongoing. In other news, a passenger on Jetstar flight JQ507 from Sydney to Melbourne was arrested after exiting the plane through an emergency door upon landing at Melbourne Airport. The man, who had been acting erratically and vaping during the flight, opened the right side emergency exit, causing the slide to deploy. Instead of using the slide, he walked along the wing and climbed down the Airbus A320's engine to the tarmac. Other passengers screamed as he forced open the door. Ground staff and aircrew restrained him until the Australian Federal Police arrived. The man was taken to a hospital for further assessment. The incident delayed baggage collection for other passengers. Police are continuing their investigation and may press charges later. From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.